The accelerating adoption of 3D printing is having a beneficial impact on how individuals and organizations collaborate, share resources, reduce costs, and expand capacity. Companies with multiple locations are linking their 3D printers and design teams together for more efficient and cost-effective use. Schools and libraries are sharing their 3D printing capacity across multiple locations through networked solutions. Organizations are also building innovation centers and makerspaces to accelerate creativity and cooperation. 3D Herndon has extensive expertise to help our customers design solutions to meet their needs. 3D printing is increasingly being adopted to help alleviate supply chain issues. A company with production facilities in multiple locations might need the same replacement part in each location. By having 3D printers linked together and remotely accessible, an engineer in one location can create and share a design file with other locations where the replacement part can be printed locally on demand. This saves a significant amount of time and greatly reduces the expense of warehousing and shipping of parts across the country. Engineering teams in different locations can use cloud-based solutions or intranets to collaborate, yet maintain the autonomy to design and print parts that meet local specifications. In all levels of education, schools are adapting 3D technology to not only accelerate learning and innovation, but to recruit and retain the most motivated and talented students. 3D printers can be distributed across campuses or school systems and made accessible to the entire school population, leveraging the network and greatly expanding printing capacity. Many people's first exposure to a 3D printer might come at their local library. So 3D printers are quickly becoming a favored way for libraries to expand their outreach and service to their community. Libraries can leverage their branch networks to provide printing capacity cost effectively. 3D printer networks can be found in local innovation centers, makerspaces, or geographically distributed print farms. So whether you are a commercial firm, an educational institution, or a library system, 3D Herndon will work with you every step of the way to design and implement 3D printer solutions optimized for your requirements.